many sights to see. And when I look in my window, so many different.
Hello traders, Gary Wagner with WFGForex.com, your daily market update for Forex Gold. It is the 22nd day of April. It is Thursday, and this is the Daily Report. Forex Gold is currently trading lower, trading at 1139.60. It has been trading under pressure both overseas as well in the COMEX. COMEX did close lower. For those of you following our trade, we did enter a long position based on this doji at 1135, initially placing our stops at 1122. I did move those stops up yesterday to 1134. Market had a low 1131. We were effectively stopped out of the trade. Loss is about a push. We lost $1 on the trade. What am I looking at right now? We are currently witnessing a pattern that we call an engulfing bearish. After an uptrend, and we haven't had that much of it, if you have a candle that opens and then closes below, and we are still trading, I do want to let you know that, then it's considered an engulfing bearish. An engulfing bearish is a two-day reversal pattern. You would not take a sell signal or a short until the following candle, a confirming candle, came in. A confirming candle for this particular scenario would be a black candle. Let me see if I can draw it in here, with a lower low and a lower high. So it would look something like what I had just put up on the screen. Now, do I think the market's going to head lower? We do have very, very strong support currently at 1135. So traders, what am I looking at? We are going to be sidelined from the market. I want to see how this trading activity pans out. We were able to take it down, test some lows at around 1131, but buying did come into the market to push it back up. It was trading for most of the session up above 1140, 1141, but it is currently under some pressure. I want to see how that pans out. Fundamentally, I'm still long-term bullish in the market. We will look to re-enter from the long side based upon the activity we see over the next couple of days. Now, when we look at our Fibonacci retracement levels, we still have very, very strong, what I'll call superlative support, right around 1134, 1133. That's right in this area. We have not been able to see the market trade and close below that. So as long as we're able to hold this particular support level right in here, my sentiment is that we're forming a base right in this area. If it were able to close and take out this one area, I would have to reevaluate, because our next target level in terms of Fibonacci support is much, much lower at 1106. And that's this area right in here. Traders, do I think the market's going to come down to test the 50%? Right now, I'm going to have to say no, and that's based on the fact that every time the market has come in the last couple of days to test this one area of Fibonacci support, it has been unable to trade effectively below it. In other words, when it came down here, we had short covering, fresh buying come in the market. And on today's trading activity, of course, it again broke through this area, but is now trading well above it, as I said, at 1139. So let's see how the market pans out. We are coming into the close of the weekend, meaning Friday tomorrow. Then we will have the weekend to kind of evaluate and look at the market and the information that it presents itself, and make our decisions from there. Once again, we will look to re-enter a long position. Hopefully we'll find some sort of support in this area. But if the market wants to trade lower, I need to see how it reacts here. But as long as, based on a closing basis on our daily gold charts, we have closes above this area, I think we've got a very, very strong support area at 1133. This has been Gary Wagner with your daily market update for Forex Gold. Wishing you, as always, good trading. Bye-bye.